नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं श्रद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदी. We're seeing Sasujushuruhu and Vashari. What is the meaning of Sasujushuruhu? Padanta Sakara followed by Sajush Shabda. Sakara will change into Rukara. Sajushaha is in which vibhakti?
It's in Shashti. So it should be Sakara or Sajush.
Cha is also there, na? Sajushascha. Padanta Sasya and Sajushascha. Padanta Sakara and Sajush Shabda will get Rutva Adesha. Atorora Plutad Plute, this sutra we were seeing. So Apluta Shabda, different acharyas has given different meanings, give different explanations. So Bhashyakara's explanation is there is no use of this Apluta, you just keep aside. That was the Bhashyakara's explanation. So some other acharyas explained that in the Tripadi means in 8th chapter, there is some sutra which is having Apluta Shabda. So this sutra doesn't see that sutra. Purvatra Siddham, by that sutra, that whatever is there in Tripadi, it will not work to say that this Apluta word has given. So whichever way we can understand, but here we don't have to we don't have this word to understand this sutra. We can just take ataha onwards. Ataha parasya roho ruhu syat ati paresati. This is simple anvaya. We can take this one. Ataha parasya roho ati paresati uhu syat. After akara, if there is rukara, and after rukara, if there is akara, then that rukara will change into ukara. This is the method. This is the situation. Akara followed rukara and rukara followed akara. Then this rukara changed into ukara. Now let us see the example. Shivorchyaha. First Shiva Shabda let us take. Shiva plus Supratyaya. Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. What will come here?
Rukara.
Before that? Sakara. What happened to Ukara?
Upadeshe Ajananasikait.
So these sutras are very common sutras. After some time, we won't repeat even this step also. We will remove after that. We will reduce the steps as we go, and we will make in few steps. We will finish the prakriya. Like even if you see Ashtadhyayi, they will give only main sutras. These sutras, they won't give Upadesha Jannaskait, whatever Itsangnika sutras and Lopa sutras, they won't mention such things. The main sutras, whatever main sutras are there, we will use that. Next, what is the prakriya?
Rukara to Sasajushoruhu.
Next,
Visarga.
Visarga by
Karavasana.
Next, we are going to do Subanta. So all these prakriya will start in Subanta. So this is the Shivaha Shabda. Now, the example here is Shivorchyaha. If we want to apply this Atorora Pluta the Plute, then the prakriya we have to end up to here. Now we will take from this step onwards. There is option. If we want to apply Kharavasana or Visarjaniyaha, then it will become Shivaha. If we don't want to apply Kharavasana or Visarjaniyaha, then if we want to apply Atorora Plata Plate, now Prakriya will start from here. Shivaru and Archyaha. Now here Rukara preceded by Akara, followed by Akara. Then this Rukara will change into
Ukara.
Now which Sandhi will happen here?
Guna Sandhi.
Guna Sandhi, what will come here?
Okara.
Okara will come. What is the sutra for Guna Sandhi?
Adguna.
Shivo plus Archyaha. Now which Sandhi will happen here?
Ingaha padantarati.
Ingaha padantarati. By that, this will get Purva Rupa. This Akara will get Purva Rupa. Then here, to indicate this Akara, we will use this Kandakara or Avagraha. Is this example clear?
Yes.
Next sutra, Hashicha, Hashicha. So there is no vritti for Hashicha because everything is from Anuvritti. Ado roho uhu syat hashi parecha. So in the previous sutra, after Akara, if there is Rukara, after rukara, if there is akara, then rukara will change into ukara. Here also same. After akara, there should be rukara. Then that rukara will change into ukara, but rukara should followed by hash pratyahara. Hash means 3, 4, 5 plus 3, 4, 5 vargas plus ya, ra, la, va, ha. All these are hash pratyahara. Akara followed by rukara. Rukara followed by hash pratyahara. Then this rukara will change into ukara. This is the vritti that we have to understand. Ato roho uhu syad hashi parecha. This cha is saying that also not only akara followed by rukara, rukara followed by akara, also hash. All the up to here vritti is same. This chakara is saying also hash pare. The example here it is given Shivo Vandyaha. So now we know up to Shiva Ru. We can do Prakriya from there, right? We have done up to Shivaha here. Now we'll start from there. Shivaru Vandyaha. This Vakara belongs to Hash Pratyahara. This Rukara preceded by Akara, followed by Hash Pratyahara. Then that Rukara will change into Ukara. Now, which sutra will come here?
Adguna.
Adgunaha. Shivo Vandyaha. This is the final form. But many times we can see in Bhashya and the Shlokas also, these two sutras comes very regularly. We don't know the sutra, that's all. Atoro rapluta daplute hashicha. Sutra and example are clear?
Yes.
Now let us see another sutra. So this Visargas and the sutras are getting quickly over. Bho bhagava gho purvasya yoshi. Bho bhagava gho purvasya yoshi. These are the shabdas. Bho, one shabda. Bhago is another shabda. Agho is another shabda. All these shabdas and apurvasya means it should be preceded by akara. What should be preceded by akara? Roho. It is given in vritti. We have to understand this is Ritva Prakarana is going on. So sthani is the rukara. Rukara preceded by bho shabda or bhago shabda or agho shabda or akara and followed by ash pratyahara. Then what will get adesha?
Yakara.
Yakara. Because yakara is in prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. So ya will get adesha. in the place of rukara. Bho Shabda and Bhago Shabda. This sutra is very simple, but during our course, I was not at all understanding. How many times I tried to understand what this sutra says, but I did not understand. Bho Bhago Agho, sutra itself looks so big. So there itself, Bho Shabda, when it is followed by Rukara and Rukara followed by what?
Akara.
Ash, not Akara, Ash. Ashi is there, na?
Yes.
It should be followed by Ash. Same way, Bhago Shabda should follow Rukara and Rukara should be followed by Ash.
What is the apurvasya there?
This is Akara. Purvasya will go with everything. Rukara Purvasya Bho. Rukara Purvasya Bhago. Rukara Purvasya Agho. Rukara Purvasya Akara.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So that Rukara has not given in the sutra since it is Rutva Prakarana. So all these are preceded by Rukara.
So in the vritti, it says bhos and bhagos. So the bhos becomes bhoru.
Let us see the prakriya. So Bho Shabda, when we decline, Supratyaya will come. So that is Sakara is Supratyaya Sakara. I'm just writing all this so that later it should not get confused. What all these things? Because I got confused. Agho plus Ukara plus Ash. Akara plus Ukara Ash. So this is the sutra explanation, sutra and vritti. Now let us see the examples. First let us see for Bho Shabda. Bho Shabda, it is actually Bhos only. Sorry, not Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanam, it is Bhos Shabda. Bhos plus Deva. Here, this Sakara will change into Rutva. they have given Shabdas itself, Bhos, Bhagos, Aghos. Let us take Bhos, Bhagos, Aghos only. So this will be the secondary models. Bhos is the Shabda and it is following Deva. Bho, this Sakara will get Rutva Adesha. Plus Deva. Now this Rukara preceded by Bho Shabda, Bho, and followed by Hash Pratyahara. Ash Pratyahara. Deva belongs to Ash Pratyahara. So this Rukara will change into
Yakar.
Sorry, here I Ukara. Bho, Yakara plus Deva. In the same way, for all other Shabdas also. With this sutra gets over. To come to final form, we need next sutra. Let us come to next sutra. Let us see the next sutra, then we'll come here. Hali sarvesham, bho bhago agho apurvasya yasya lopaha syad hali. When yakara preceded by bho bhago agho apurvasya, then it is when it is followed by hal, then that yakara will get lopa. When yakara preceded by bho bhago agho apurvasya, followed by hal. Hal means all consonants. Then that yakara will get lopa. Here, this yakara is there, preceded by bho and followed by hal. Hal, which is deva, consonant. Then this yakara will get lopa. Now the final form is bho deva. This is the meaning of this sutra. Same way, bhago namaste. Bhagos plus namaste. Here also, Rukara will happen. This Rukara preceded by Bhago and followed by Ash Pratyahara. Then Rukara will change into
Yakara.
Yakara. This Yakara preceded by Bhago Shabda and followed by Hal, consonant. Then what will happen?
Hali sarvesham yakara lopa.
Bhago Namaste. Same way, agho, yahi. Agho, aghos. Yahi. Now, what is the prakriya here?
Sakara change into Rukara.
Yahi. Then,
Rukara change into Yakara.
Rukara preceded by agho shabda and followed by ash pratyahara. Then that rukara will change into yakara. Now yakara preceded by agho shabda and followed by hal. Then
Yaloka.
yalopa. By which sutra?
Kali Sarvesham.
Agho yahi. These three shabdas are bho, bhago, agho shabdas are done. Now this apurvasya. What is this apurvasya? These three shabdas are clear? This sakara is belongs to bho shabda only. So bhos, bhagos, aghos. We have to take that down. Now apurvasya. What is this apurvasya? Deva plus iha. This is the situation here. This rukara comes by sakara will change into rukara. That's how rukara will come. Now what is the prakriya here?
Rukara change into Yakara.
Rukara change into yakara. Then
Yakara Lopa.
by
Kali Sarvesham.
what is the vritti for sarvesham? What is the nimitta?
Yakara preceded by Yakara.
It has to hali pare. So iha is not hal. Ikara is not.
Yes. Then
Lopasakalya will be.
Deva. Lopaha shakalyasya sudra. So what happens is, when we go on doing practice, we don't pay attention to the niyamas. What is the niyama that we don't pay attention? We just go on, keep on writing. So we have to pay attention every step. Niyama. Niyamas are very important. We have to pay attention to niyamas. Here, Lopah Shakalyasya Sutra will work. What is the Lopah Shakalyasya? You are able to see the screen, right? This is Hali Sarvesham. This 8.3.22 is Hali Sarvesham. 8.3.19 is Lopaha Shakalyasya. So this even in Hali Sarvesham, from where this yakara comes, in Hali Sarvesham we say yakara gets lopa. Lopa Shakalyasya yakara gets lopa. But where this yakara has come, this yakara has come from this sutra, 18th sutra, Vyor Laghu Prayatna Taraha Shakatayanasya. We don't need all these things. We just need this Vyo. Vyo means Vakara and Yakara. Vakara and Yakara gets Lopa according to Shakalya Acharya. Here also Hali Sarvesham. Yakara gets Lopa when it is followed by Hal. So another vrittis, another things will come from different sutras. Is any other doubt?
Is Lopa Shakalyasya optional?
Yes, it is optional.
So we can do other sandhi.
Shakalyasya matena lopaha syade is according to Shakalya Acharya, it is lopa. But according to Panini Maharshiji, it is not lopa.
So we can do deva yiha. We can keep the ya. Okay.
Yes, both forms are there. So this happened by lopa Shakalyasya. If we don't apply lopa Shakalyasya, then form we will get this form and deva iha. Deva iha. This is the form. Here in Nritya also they have given both forms. Etat purvasya roho ya adeshaha ashi. Etat purvasya. Before this, roho ya adeshaha ashi pare. Deva iha, deva iha. Deva iha, deva iha. Both forms are there. This is by lopa Shakalyasya. This is without lopa Shakalyasya. Bhos, bhagos, aghos. Iti santa nipataha. It is given. This sakara is nipata. Nipata means it doesn't have any purpose. For the sake of prakriya, it has given. Like in shlokas, when we say it is nipata shlokas or tika in bhashya, wherever it comes nipata, so it doesn't have any meaning. But to finish, to get the appropriate letters, these letters are used, nipatas. So all these sakaras are nipatas. Tesham roho yatve krute. Tesham kesham.
Bho bhago agho akaraha. Tesham.
Etesham. Bho bhago agho apurva akara etesham. Roho yatve krute. When we apply in the place of rakara, yakara adesha, in that situation, ratve krute at that time, yasya lopaha syat hali. We have to take that vritti and connect to this vritti. Yes, or we can directly connect to the sutra. Tesham roho yatve krute hali sarvesham. We can do that way anvaya. Or yasya lopah syad hali. Bho devaha bhago namaste agho yahi. These are the answers that is given here in this sutra. Because in previous sutra, that yakara lopa did not happen. So here they have given the answers. So there is nothing to do in this sutra. Nothing to do in this sutra means prakriya we have already done in previous sutra.
Hali Sarvesham, is it compulsory always?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yakar Hali Sarvesham is for Yakara Lopa, right?
No, Lopa Shakalya is optional, but Hali Sarvesham is mandatory.
Yeah, Hali Sarvesham is Nityam. It is not Vikalpena.
Thank you.
And the apurvasya, that akara is all 18 types, right? It is not.
Yes. Here they So they have not given like ataha. Takara is not given. Na? So when takara is not given, we have to understand all 18 types of akaras. If takara is given, then we have to understand it is taparas tatkalasya. According to that, only 6 types of akaras. Any other doubt? Okay, let us see this Roho Supi. Actually, there is a big prakriya. I did not even look at all this. I don't want to go through all these sutras because these sutras are, unless we study, we will not understand anything. I'll just explain in simple way so that it will be easy. That all that process we will learn in Subanta. So anyway, we are going to start in Subanta, and in Subanta Prakriya, this Ahan Shabda itself is given in Ashtadhyay. So we will decline their Ahan Shabda. There all the sutras will come and we can understand easily. Even if I mention, I don't think it will be helpful. Roho, ro supi, ro asupi. So the vritti is ahnaha refa deshaha natu supi. Ahnaha means ahan shabda. Ahan shabda, when it is followed by asupi. Asupi means it should not be after ahan shabda, there should not be any supratyaya. After ahan shabda, there should not be any supratyaya. Then this refa adesha will come. Refa adesha will come where? It is like this. Ahan shabda is there. And ahan shabda, when it is followed by asupi. Asupi means not supratyaya. So this ahan is already shabda. After that, we are using something which is not supratyaya. So here they have taken ahan, one more ahan. Or ahaha we can take. Ahar ganaha. So Ganaha we can take. After Ahan Shabda, there is no Supratyaya. This is Asupi. Then Refa Adesha will come. So Refa Adesha will come where?
In the Ahan Shabda,
Ahan
because
Shabda. Okay.
Ahnaha, yeah, Nakara has to be.
Nakara.
Ahnaha is Shashti.
So Ahan Shabda completely we have to do replace with the Refa or
Nakara.
where we have to do Nakara. By which sutra we have to do in the place of Nakara only? Anybody remember?
Alontyasya.
Alontyasya. Alontyasya says when you do Adosha, whatever is at the end, Saptami Nirdeshena. If the Nimitta is in Saptami, then the Adesha, whatever is there Adesha, do it at the end of the Shabda. Antya letter. Alo Antyasya. Alaha Antyasya. So Ahar Ganaha. In the same way, Ahar Ahaha. So this Ahar Ahaha, Ahan is the Shabda plus Ahaha. To make Ahaha, that all process were there. Ahan and Ahaha. So Ahan Shabda is not following the Supratyaya. Then this Ahan Shabda will get Ru Adesha. Repa Adesha, not Ru Adesha, Repa Adesha. Plus Ahaha. Then Ahar Ahar. Ahar Rahaha. Aharahaha. This way. Is this Sutra and Vritti clear?
Again, they have a two Shabda in the Vritti.
Natu Supi.
I know, but they cannot say na supi. That doesn't, it's not correct.
Ahnaha, Ahan Shabda, when it is followed by, Ahan Shabda will get Repa Adesha, but when it is not followed by Supi, that way.
Oh, so two is for but. Okay.
But. In general, Nimitta is given in positive way. So here it is given in negative way, not that way. So they have used two. In the previous sutra, where we got that two, Upadesha, what is that sutra? There's in some sutra is there in Hal Sandhi. So I asked Narayanji, he gave some explanation, but it was not clear. Whenever I get time to discuss with him, I'll discuss and I will let you know. Because he was given some different explanation which is not there in the previous sutra and in that sutra also. So from where that explanation has come, that I did not get clarity. He gave two interpretations for two in that sutra, but one interpretation was not mentioned in the previous sutra or in that sutra, but the explanation was something different. So that's why I did not explain that one. Is it clear?
Yeah. Yes, thank you.
Okay. Okay, we'll see next sutra in next class. Om Purnamadas Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.